Hi, I'm Gabby, owner of Gabbi's Kitchen in Chalk.
Today I'm going to be making the papa taquitos. We use the baby yellow Dutch potatoes with a little bit of yuca. It's new on our menu. It's been a fan favorite, so I'm going to show you the process of how we prepare it for the day. So I'm going to take a little bit into the bowl with a little bit of the confit oil, because that's also where the flavor's at. So we start with the baby yellow Dutch potatoes with the yuca. I will then add Oaxacan cheese, as well as crema, salt. From there, we will mix it together. Once I have everything mixed, now I'm not trying to make it nice and smooth. I like a little chunky in there as well. I'm now going to assemble the taquitos. I will make sure they're packed nice and tight. That way when they go into the fryer, they will not spill out. At this point, I will take a pick to hold its shape. I will now proceed to put them into the fryer. So once the papa taquitos are ready, I will take them out. I will take out the picks. I will then take a morita salsa, put the taquitos right on top, a scoop of our guacamole, crema, queso fresco. Lastly, we'll finish it with cabbage that I toss in a comino vinaigrette and cilantro. And that's it.